Most people think comebacks are loud, dramatic, visible. They're wrong. The real comeback happens quietly, when no one is watching, when no one believes in you anymore. If you're watching this right now, chances are you're not where you thought you'd be. And somewhere along the way, you started questioning yourself. Silently. Psychology calls this identity erosion. It happens when effort doesn't lead to results, when motivation dies slowly. That's when most people quit. Not because they're weak, but because they feel invisible. But here's what psychology also says. The human brain is most dangerous after disappointment, because failure strips illusions. It removes ego. And what's left is focus. 2026 isn't your comeback year because it's new. It's your comeback year because you're finally done pretending, done chasing approval, done waiting for validation. You don't need confidence right now, you need clarity. Confidence comes after results, not before. People don't act confident and then win. They win quietly, and confidence shows up later. Step 1 of any real comeback is withdrawal. Not isolation, withdrawal. You stop reacting. You stop arguing. You stop announcing your plans. Psychology calls this energy conservation. Every reaction you give to the wrong thing steals energy from the right thing. That's why calm people feel powerful. Your comeback doesn't start with action. It starts with silence. Step 2 is identity rebuilding. This is where most people fail. They try to change habits without changing self-image. But the brain doesn't follow goals. It follows identity. The shift is simple, but uncomfortable. You stop asking, how do I win? And start asking, who do I become? This is why small, boring routines create massive transformations. Not motivation, not hype, repetition. Psychology calls this self-evidence. Each small action becomes proof, and proof rewires belief. Your comeback won't look impressive at first. That's how real power is built. In private, step 3 is delayed reaction. You don't respond immediately anymore. You pause. You think, and that pause changes everything. Because the person who reacts last controls the emotional direction of the situation. Always. Here's the part no one prepares you for. Right before your comeback, your doubt gets louder, not quieter. That's not a sign to stop. That's your old identity fighting extinction. Psychology calls this cognitive resistance. Let it talk. You don't have to answer. 2026 isn't about proving people wrong. That's weak motivation. It's about proving your past self irrelevant. The version of you that doubted, that hesitated, that waited. Your comeback won't be announced, it will be noticed. In your discipline, in your silence. And one day, people will call it luck. They won't see the nights, the restraint, the patience, and that's fine. You didn't build this to be seen. You built it to be free. The comeback doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins the moment you decide not to react the same way again, and once you understand that, you're already in it.